Kia ora koutou. I'm Grant Illingworth. I'm Chair of Phase 2 of the COVID-19 Lessons Learned Royal Commission of Inquiry. The COVID-19 pandemic, the public health response, and how it affected all of us has been a defining experience for our country. As commissioners of this inquiry, our job is to identify lessons from the COVID-19 response to ensure that as a country we can be better prepared for future pandemics. I'd like to thank all 31,000 of you who took the time to share your experiences and the experiences of those around you, both positive and negative, during our recent public submissions process. Your views are vital to our work. We're well underway with Phase 2 of the inquiry, and we've gathered significant amounts of evidence already. To further our understanding, we are holding 2 weeks of public hearings. We've been directed through our terms of reference to focus on key pandemic response decisions the government made between February 2021 and October 2022. The first hearing starts on Monday the 7th of July, and the focus will be on gathering a wide range of pandemic perspectives. It will allow the inquiry in the open to hear from a range of individuals, groups, experts and communities about the effects of these key decisions, including on social division and isolation, health and education, and business activity. We'll look at the consequences of key decisions and the lessons to be learned from what happened. For the Pandemic Perspectives hearing, we've selected 3 main areas to focus on, because that's what many of you told us have been most important for you. We'll look at lockdowns in 2021, in particular the extended lockdown in Auckland and Northland from September 2021. We'll look at vaccine approvals and safety, and we'll look at the introduction and use of vaccine mandates throughout 2021 and 2022. As commissioners, we'll be seeking to learn lessons from those who share their experiences with us to strengthen Aotearoa New Zealand's preparedness for any future pandemic. The final week of public hearings in August will allow us to hear from key individuals, including senior government officials and former ministers who were responsible for the pandemic response and the key decisions that were made during that time. Public hearings are helpful to the inquiry. They're an important source of evidence and will help to inform our findings and recommendations through the exercise of both listening and by asking questions. Hearings also provide you, the public, access to the work of this inquiry, so you can better understand what we're looking into and why. And to also hear for yourself a range of COVID-19 related experiences. We want you to hear what we hear too. For that reason, the public hearings will be live streamed on our website. We've also invited a broad range of media to attend the hearings and report on the proceedings. So that everyone is able to engage with the hearings, we'll have a range of accessible resources available during and after the hearings. The hearing schedule and list of witnesses will be available on our website and social media channels. And following our 2 public hearings, we'll be assessing everything we've heard and read to provide carefully considered and practical recommendations to the government. Of course, public hearings are just one way we gather evidence. In addition to the many thousands of submissions we've received, we're also holding private interviews with key individuals, undertaking engagements with a wide range of groups and communities, analysing hundreds of documents and publicly available information, referencing and referring to the Phase 1 inquiry report as well. Thank you again for your interest in our work, and I hope you find the hearings of as much value as we expect to. For those of us working on the inquiry, every life matters and every story counts when it comes to the impact COVID-19 had on all of us.